Morning guys! So the weather was actually horrible last night. Before we went to bed there was thunder, lightning, it's really windy, but it wasn't quite as bad as it got later in the night. So when we went to sleep we could just hear thunder and lightning and quite bad wind, but nothing too major. However, then at about 3:30, 4 in the morning I woke up because the yacht was tilting really badly. There was so much noise outside, the sails and the backhoes, and our dinghy was like dangling all over the place, creating so much noise. The wind was extremely strong. We had to go outside, make the ropes tighter to make sure we were not tilting as much, but still it was very noisy. I couldn't sleep at all. I had the worst night's sleep actually last night, just because of everything that's been going on. It has been quite a challenging day. Like yesterday was a very challenging day because of the weather anyway. We had to go back. We haven't made much progress, and then I don't know whether we'll actually be able to sail or even motor today. I'll show you outside, but remember we are at the marina, which is sheltered, and still the wind is so strong. You can hear it, you can see how bad it is, so you can only imagine being in the open sea wouldn't be safe. I wouldn't sail anyway, but even motoring I don't think it's safe, just because of the waves. The tides would probably come as high as the yacht, could be even higher than our yacht. So of course we want to make some progress. We are hoping to go to Corsica, and we're only here for like 7 days, so I think we are going to go for breakfast now and try to figure it out, look at the weather forecast, but the weather forecast is not looking great. Apparently the wind is going to pick up even more later during the day. So yeah, it sucks, and I don't really know what to do about it, because I don't want to waste today. I don't think there's that much around here anyway to do, and I wouldn't want to waste today, because I really was hoping to get to Corsica and at least go to a different harbour today. But if it's not safe, it's not safe, right? You can't just put yourself in danger. That wind indicator is going like terrible. It's absolutely terrible, you guys. But yeah, I thought I would update you. Ideally, I would want to risk it, because obviously our holiday is short. Because we went back to Porto yesterday to drop the dinghy, but then the people wouldn't even have it. They said there was no one there to look after it, so they wouldn't even have it. So we wasted all that time yesterday. And with all the bad conditions and things that had happened yesterday, I don't think my dad wants to risk it, and I kind of understand it, especially if the tides are very high. And of course you wouldn't want to go out in the open sea anyway, and it is quite an open sea, it's not like a sheltered way. Whichever port you would decide to go from here, unless it's Porto, which is not that far, nothing else is close and nothing else is sheltered. So I know this must be really TMI, and I'm sorry you guys, but these are the toilets that they expect us to use at this marina. We still have no food on the boat, and we went back to the supermarket. It says on Google Maps that it's supposed to be open, and we thought it was only shut yesterday because it's Sunday. but it's actually still shut today. So I have no idea what we're gonna do, because literally there are no supermarkets or even restaurants at this harbour. It's crazy, and we have no food now on the yacht. We didn't have dinner last night, we just had that bread and stuff. How can it possibly be so difficult to get some food, like even basic stuff, you know? We don't even ask for much. Nothing. Wow. It's pretty around here though. Everywhere is closed, guys. Everywhere is closed. I just don't understand. There's this diving shop and it's open that we just came across, and then also there was a scooter shop that was open. Yet we don't seem to find any supermarkets. I think maybe we found one, but I'm not 100% sure if it's open. But there are lots of cars, so hopefully. Oh, it looks open, right? Oh, I think we're going to get some food. Oh, I'm excited, guys. Thank God we finally found one after quite a trek. Absolutely soaked. I don't know if you can even hear me because of the rain. As we were walking from the supermarket was quite far. It started like raining really badly. I don't know if you can even tell. Probably here. Again, thunder, and then literally started pouring it down really badly. So yeah, I got absolutely soaked. It's a good thing I brought my coat with me, but still. Even like all of our food, I bought these biscuits and stuff, but everything in our shopping bag got soaked as well. So it's looking like we are definitely not doing anything today. Like there's not a chance. Thunder, storms, really strong wind. At least we got some food, but also on the way back, oh my god, there were these two people. What were they wearing, would you say?
Oh, some sort of uniform.
Some sort of uniform, but it looked really like weird. And then you know what? They asked us where we were going. And they said, oh, are you going towards the apartments? Like up this hill? And I said, oh no, the marina. And they said, oh, marina, okay, that's fine. But then I noticed that we are actually on the Google Maps, we were supposed to go towards where they were doing some sort of works with trucks and things. But I said, oh, we can't really go there, so might as well try to go up towards the apartments. The next thing we know, there's a huge bang, like explosion. So we think it might have been a bomb. So that happened, and that really scared me. So loud and so scary. It's like, are we gonna die or what? So today's a weird day. Are you happy with your holiday so far?
No, we should be at La Magdalena today. La Magdalena or whatever it's called. And then we should be going over to Sydney tomorrow. So we're not going to get that.
After sitting on the yacht for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours, when it was raining really badly, storm, hail, everything. It stopped raining now and it's a bit sunny, however it's still extremely windy, very windy. But because we're so moving about so much and we had to be inside, I just felt like going out for a walk just to feel a bit better, even though it's so windy and cold, but still better than just staying inside all day. Especially because you can get a bit dizzy and seasick potentially, spend too much on the yacht. It's still like a little bit tilting. So yeah, I think we are just going home for a little walk. Yes, oh gosh, the weather, guys, today has been such a disaster. I thought yesterday was bad, but today it's even worse. Dear me. But yeah, basically everyone from the harbour that we spoke to was saying that we shouldn't that we shouldn't set off, like no way it would be safe for anyone to set off and go. So yeah.
I have to go all the way over there.
Come on.
This is further away.
Look at these masts. Huge, huge sails. Hi guys, I'm actually going to go to sleep. We had that walk, but the wind was so strong, especially near the coastline. I couldn't even stand safely without being blown about all over the place. I'm quite light. As most of you know, I'm very slim, so the wind was really pushing me about. And yeah, at one point it was a bit not safe. I also lost my sunglasses. So yeah, I came back to the yacht. The weather is still absolutely terrible, and I think I'm going to have a nap now. Just because I'm not feeling my best because of all the wind and all this like knocking about and the yacht tilting and going all sorts of directions. It's been a pretty bad day, even though it feels like we haven't done much. So yeah, I might have a nap. This might be the end of today's vlog. I just have to go and have a nap. I'm not feeling great, but yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow.